iNingizimu Afrika isaqhubeka nokubala umonakalo odalwe izibhelu esifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal nase Gauteng.
According to our own assessment, about 75,000 employees have been affected by the destruction in the two provinces. This may lead to temporary layoffs from work or an outright retrenchment.
Ibalelwa kumabhiliyoni amahlanu nesigamu imali eyabelwe uhlelo lwe-terrace njengamanje. UNxesi uthi kuzosetshenziswa yona leyo mali ukusiza abasebenzi abaseledengwane KwaZulu-Natal nase Gauteng.
The criteria to determine who qualifies is going to be stringent and payments will be based on the resources available.
UNxesi unxusa abaqashi abathintekile ukuthi basize uhulumeni ngokunika imininingwane eyiyo yabasebenzi babo abadinga usizo.
So the various chambers of commerce in the different areas, they would need to help those owners of the businesses which have been destroyed. And we hope that if we can work together, we would be able to give the relief which is needed by the workers.
Abesikhwama seUIF bathi baphezulu kwamalungiselelo ukuthi kuqalwe ukufakwa izicelo ngesonto elizayo. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.